Hey guys, so this video is going to teach you how to play Canon by Pachelbel, and it's going to show you a few parts, first normal speed and then very slow, so you can break your learning into a few days or do it all at once. First part. Okay, and now we're going to do it very slow. Start from a middle D and just follow along. 1 on a B, F sharp, B. 4 on F sharp, 3 on F sharp, A, 5. Hold left hand note while right hand is playing, and pedal every time you press a new note in the left hand. That's it. Now part 2. And now we're going to do it very slowly. So right hand press 5 on the D and left hand as well 5 on the D. And not middle D, but on the right of it and left of it. And you can either flip with the 2 or, like I do, press gently with the thumb while still pressing the D in the right hand. And that was all one pedal. Now new pedal, right hand C sharp, left hand A. Right hand hold it all the way and you can add this C with the right hand, or you could also flip it with the 2, up to you. If you have a smaller hand, you want to probably do it with only left hand like this. Each right hand note is a new pedal. G, B, right hand A, left hand D. C sharp. Okay, next part. We're going to do it. It's similar to the previous part. In fact, left hand is kind of the same. Only right hand is going to press an additional third above its original notes. So if before we had C and D and C sharp, now it's going to be D, F sharp, and C sharp, E. So that's all. You notice everything else is the same. So just one extra note in the right hand. And use fingers that are comfortable for you, but make sure you can flow. A, D, F sharp, G, B. Every new bar is a new pedal, so every right hand note, new pedal. A, C sharp. Next part. Now we're going to break it down. So it's very easy because left hand only has 3 notes, normal, normal, and longer, and the right hand has either quarters or eighth notes. So right hand F sharp, left hand D together, then left hand A, right hand D, E, right hand F sharp, left hand D, then only right hand, left hand hold it, and then right hand C sharp, left hand A, sorry, right hand E, then C sharp, then left hand E, left hand A, hold left hand, and then right hand D, right hand A, left hand F sharp, 2 notes in the right hand, 1 note in the left hand, and now here 4 notes in the right hand. F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, A, B with the E, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, left hand still holding the A, and next part. So left hand has a beautiful flow, starting with a D, A, D, and back to A, and right hand just press F sharp and A and hold it. A, B with the E in the left hand. Now left hand press A, right hand press A, B, A quickly. Like that. I'm gonna show it slow motion. Like that. Next, right hand F sharp, left hand B. D, both hands, A, now C natural, B, and C sharp. And one last part. Now slowly. So press your right hand on the last note of the left hand. It's exactly like before, but you're just waiting a little bit, taking a break with your right hand. So that's the only variation. D, A, F sharp A, D. And now I'm gonna do medium to slow tempo the whole song so you can follow along after you've learned this.